In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Polygon MATIC network to your MetaMask wallet. This is a beginner-friendly guide, and don't worry, there's no cryptocurrency required to get started. Plus, everything we'll be doing is fully browser-based, so you can follow along with just your laptop or desktop computer. Let's dive right into it. First, open your browser and click on the MetaMask icon, which you'll typically find in the upper right corner of your browser if you've already installed the extension. If it's your first time using MetaMask, make sure you're set up with an account. Once your MetaMask wallet is open, you should see several tabs or options. For today's task, find your way to the Settings option. You might need to look around the tabs, but it will be there. Once you've clicked on Settings, a menu with more options will appear. We're interested in the Networks section here, so go ahead and click on Networks. Now, you'll see a list of networks that are already available in MetaMask. These are the preset options that MetaMask comes with, but we're going to add a new one today, specifically the Polygon network. Look for the option that says Add Network Manually and click on it. Here's where you need to enter specific details to connect to the Polygon blockchain. First, find the field labeled RPC URL and paste in the following URL: ht/polygon@rpc.com. This will serve as the link through which your MetaMask wallet will communicate with the Polygon blockchain. Next, move on to the field labeled Chain ID and type in 137. This number uniquely identifies the Polygon network among the various blockchains available. It's crucial to get this right, so double-check that you've entered it correctly. In the currency symbol field, you'll want to enter MATIC. This is a native token used on the Polygon network, and you'll see this symbol whenever you are dealing with transactions or balances related to this particular network. Finally, there's the Block Explorer URL field. This is optional, but it's very useful for transparency, allowing you to view transaction histories and other blockchain data. Enter http://polygonscan.com into this field. This is the official block explorer for the Polygon network, and it's a great tool for gaining more insight into your transactions. Once you've entered all these details, don't forget the most important part. Click Save. This action saves the network settings, and voila, your MetaMask wallet is now connected to the Polygon blockchain. You can seamlessly switch networks and start exploring everything that the Polygon network has to offer. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add the Polygon MATIC network to MetaMask, all done without the need for any cryptocurrency. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy transactions on the Polygon network.